Igbo ndị mana comment ekenekwa m ọnụ biko ya bụ video ma somebody me about Tiger Base Owerri Imo State. Is not a high time government to be at Tianya and that thing name ever call are they benefiting from it? Oh yeah, John again. If government is not ready to do something about it, are they benefiting from it? That's the question everybody needs to go and ask themselves. Equal Tiger Base last week, just 2 days ago or a day ago, I discovered mortuary and everyone abandoned mortuary because everyone and so in a same government such thing maybe exist in that location. The police say what idea. I just discovered it's a lie. Media. It is a lie. They need to be investigated. The Tiger will need to be investigated. Whether na hakuno na dump on them madunu bugulebo, choy hewa, hakuno jimela abatu haunu. Hakuno na harvest organ and them madu. Because the man name with a touch thing, ejide onye nwe ejide ronka just here you know boss to wire. No, something is wrong. You people need to be investigated as well. Any demon investigation. Because obona oku the Tiger Base apotaro such thing am pota this kind of video no me I need the everyone mortuary ko we can harvesting in man una ya sem na unu the Tiger Base no na amaro na such thing may exist before una we name operate in such abandoned environment, in such an abandoned environment. It's a lie. I mean anya nele man and kala. As long as you know your uniform in this country, and who na po him, the uniform or who na po him just to cover your tracks. More than them will go na your facility and your base. How many people will go there? You guys need to investigate an Imo State government. People need to tell them let them flush out the criminals among them. Flush out the criminals among this police uniform. As no more only the Tiger Base na apota ka mmadu ipotaro n'uzu ipota with onye shimbaka omonde ya ba apota ha no kale ha no 3 days 4 days ha nwo. Then what are you people doing to people email ba anan manu na onye isi ha is said by onye Yoruba ni ho jele bu na agbagi for na ekwero ebugi na IPOB member ebugi na bụ ndị biafra ebugi. So many people are languishing in that prison today because somebody somewhere accused them of something. Mmadụ bụ ndị Igbo Commissioner of Police na Lagos State. Mmadụ bụ ndị Igbo na head division na Lagos State. Mmadụ ndị Igbo na head division n'Ugwu Hausa. Mana pụta isi ya na Hausa webatala ya ndị mmadụ na head division. Isi Yoruba webatala ya ndị mmadụ na head division. Wele ndị ọzọ. Wele ndị outsider na alụ ụmụ nwanne gị ọlụ. N'izipụzi ndị Igbo ka ha wụlụ gịnị the pioneer of that movement. Ihe elu na megbukwa mfia unu. In this video.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Simon Chukwudi. Yeah, I'm communicating from Finland. Wherever you are watching me from, I'm live now. And I was online and I saw everybody and the individual who have been persecuted, who have been humiliated about the Tiger Base TCID in Owerri, Imo State. So I feel that it is a great opportunity to me to contribute my own quota, to me to contribute my own experience to what I have seen, to what I have experienced, to what I have encountered in the hands of Tiger Base. So please, whoever is watching this video should let this video reach Hope Uzodinma. Hope Uzodinma, please. I don't know, I'm not from reliable source. I found out that you are the one that created Tiger Base. Please, Tiger Base is not a place for human beings to be. Tiger Base is not a place for responsible citizens to be. In my own issue, I was having issue with my younger brother, and we are just this like family issue, and in every family there is misunderstanding. There is bound to be misunderstood. You need to misunderstood each other. And this thing shouldn't have warranted him to go to Tiger Base, but due to some misrant, due to some unscrupulous element, they advised him to go to Tiger Base. He said lecturer in photo then before he relocated back to London. So I was surprised, I was flabbergasted, I was marveled that this boy took laws into his hand and went to tiger base and arrested me. And he forgot that tomorrow, if anything happens to him, he will be the one. I will be the one to cater for him. If anything happens to me tomorrow, he will be the one to cater for me. And I remember when he was here in Finland, there's a time he has issue of his house rent. I was the one that foot the bill. I was one that, none of my siblings, none of our relatives that helped to pay to finance his house rent. I was the one that took it upon myself. So he has forgotten everything about those hard times, those bad days. Life is up and down. So brother and brother can fight. In every place there is no place without misunderstanding. So the most important thing is for you to know how you handle the problem, handle the issue. So anybody who tells you that problem will not come, that person does not like you. Problem must come, but it depends how you manage the problem, the wisdom, the understanding, the way you use your initiative to handle it. Sometimes everything is not fighting. You can negotiate about some certain issues. So I'm not a criminal. People who know me will tell you I'm not a criminal, and I'm not unscrupulous element. So tiger base is for people who are bandits, people who are highway robbers, people who are miscreants in the society. People who they cannot stay without doing bad. So due to some miscreant and unscrupulous element, they are advising to go to tiger base, and foolishly he went to tiger base and arrested me. That very day they were coming from Ezobodo, and they came with about 4 or 5 CN, as if I planted coup, or I overthrown Bola Tinubu. Even people who have overthrown Bola Tinubu or Buhari, such people have not seen this kind of harassment or this kind of squad that come to arrest people who plotted coup. Really, tiger base is not good for people. It's not good for responsible people. Anybody who created that tiger base don't mean good for we youth. Look at what is happening in the north. Look at what is happening in the west. The Fulanis have surrounded us up. Yeah? Look, as 2 Fulanis have surrounded us up. If you catch a Fulani man now and put him in the prison, they will release him. If you people kill all our youth, who is going to fight for us when there is persecution, when there is war, when there is when we need youth to come and fight? Who will now fight the fight if you allow this thing to continue in our society? I know you will not know me. I know when we are little kids, when we are schooling in Ajegule, you normally come to Ladiga Street, because I have some of your relatives. When you come, they will say, look at this man, our brother. We look at Hopuzo. By that time, we are children. Hopuzo, you normally come to Ajegule. You normally come to Ladiga Street, Oluwa, with pickup. We don't know that today you are going to be governor. Life changes, because everybody don't know what he or she is going to be in future. If you are the one that created tiger base, please, it is the right time you have to disband tiger base. You are from Omoma, and I have heard that there is time you have worked with Okpele Hodis and all these people. To tell you that we have insight and memory about you. Please, tiger base is not a good place for human being to stay. That very day, they beat me very well. I was humiliated. I was well tortured. I was mesmerized. Not even mesmerized. I was mesmerized. Please, Tiger, Hopus or them, I'm calling you. Wherever you are watching this video, please. I'm begging you. I'm pleading that you should disband tiger base. Tiger base is not good for we. It's not good. Even I can conjecture that the DPO is from Yoruba. Most of the people working there are... I don't think, maybe some of them, they take drug, because a well-human people, well-behaved people cannot be maltreating people like that, because I just came back from Finland. Even I bailed myself 500,000 naira. I spend money very well before I was brought out. Anybody that go to tiger base does not come out alive. Tiger base doesn't mean any good for us. It's a place to waste human being. If not God, I wouldn't have been alive to come and testify my own story. So I was privileged. I saw people airing their own view online about how to eradicate tiger base. I feel that this may be my opportunity to air my own view and for the people to hear that tiger base does not mean well for we youth. Maybe they are working with all these Fulani or all these criminals, all these Mieti Allah. Please, whoever created tiger base, please, tiger base is not a good place. If you go there, you see a lot of bandits, criminals, people who their leg are removing pus, people who their leg are bleeding, smelling, some are removing lice. They bait there, they pull there. Please, no, this is not fair. It's not fair. Please, we should rise up. We should wake up from reality. We should wake up from slumber. Please, Imo State government, I'm calling you. It is time we ban tiger base. It's not good for us. So despite the most of the police one of the police that are beating me up that very day, one of them is from Naze. My father's first senior sister is married to Naze. We are all one. What if he has killed me that day and later he realized that we are all one? And in fact, that day is a day I will never forget. It's a thing of remembrance to me. It's a thing I will never forget in my entire life. Please, government, I'm calling you. Where you are watching this video, I'm calling you because I want to send my message, because that very day, it's not 1 week I came back from Finland and that issue between me and my younger brother happened. And he went to apprehend me, went to call tiger base for me. You know, up till now, I can tell you that up till now, I've never forgiven him, even though he has been making moves to make peace. But from my heart, I have not forgiven him fully. Purpose of them, I'm calling you. I'm calling you. You are from Omoma, precisely. If I can conjecture, you are from Omoma. You will not know me. You used to come to Ajebule. There is a time you are a driver. Do you know that today you will be governor? So, man does not predict life. So, life is up and down. So, don't use your position to intimidate people. Don't use because you don't know what tomorrow will be. You might be governor today. Tomorrow you will not be governor again. You might be whatsoever you be. Tomorrow you will not be that position again. Somebody will take over that position. So please, open to them. I'm calling you. Please, I'm begging you. Please, ban that. You should help us and to ban that tiger base. It's not for human beings. Every day they kill people. You see them arresting herbalists, all kind of unscrupulous elements are there. There's nothing that doesn't happen in tiger base. Opposed of them, I'm calling you. Please, I'm calling you to please. We need your help. Tiger base needs to be abolished. Tiger base needs to be eradicated. Tiger base needs to be removed from our society. Thank you for watching.